So you can fit in all your favorite Halloween candies here, like so. Snickers, M&Ms, and just carry it like that. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Fun Fridays with Shweta on your very own YouTube channel, The Little Crafties. So like many of you voted, today in this Fun Fridays video we are going to make some amazing Halloween crafts. Can you guess what it is? We are going to make these amazing and cute Halloween baskets. But before we get started, for those of you who are new here, let me tell you that Fun Fridays with Shweta is a video series that I've started in which I will be uploading videos every Friday. And these will be premiere videos, which means that we can watch it together and I'll be available live to chat with you. So if you have any suggestions, if you want to ask me anything or discuss anything or just chit chat in general, we can do it all here. And the most interesting part is the videos that I make on these Fun Fridays are videos that are requested by you, like these Halloween crafts we are going to make today. So let's get started. To make this pumpkin basket, we'll need a paper measuring 27 cm by 21 cm. We will then draw lines at 8 cm and 11 cm interval to make the inner box. Now we'll turn the paper and again make lines at 8 cm and 5 cm interval. We will also draw a margin of about 1 cm on either side of the lines, which will help us to stick the box. Now we'll cut the paper according to the template as shown. So this is how the paper should look after cutting. Now we'll crease the lines that we had drawn to make the folds. After this is done, we'll apply glue on the margin that we had left earlier to stick the box. Now all we need to do is hold all the flaps together and we'll get the inner box. Now to decorate it like a pumpkin, I have already made this cutout. You have to make this cutout based on the measurement of the inner box. That means this cutout should cover the box entirely. So I'll just trace this template on this orange paper. And then cut it out for sticking on both the sides. For the details like the carvings of the pumpkin, the eyes and mouth etc., I'm using this black paper and drawing all the small elements. As you can see, I'm drawing the mouth, the eyes, a triangular nose, and the stump or the stem of the pumpkin. Now we'll cut it out to stick it on both sides of the basket. So all the parts are ready. Now it's time to assemble it. So one by one we'll stick all these parts on the face of the pumpkin. So now you can see all the pieces coming together slowly, and it is looking more like a Halloween pumpkin. So this side is done, and now we'll do it for the other side also. So both the faces of the box or the basket are done. Now it is time to stick it on the inner box. So now we are applying glue on the box. And then carefully stick the pumpkin on the box. Make sure that the edges align so that the box is not visible from the front. Similarly, we'll paste the pumpkin on the other side also. So now our beautiful pumpkin box is ready. If you like, you can leave it as it is, like a box. But if you want to make it into a basket, all you need to do is just paste the handle, that is a strip of paper like this, and then attach it to the box. So this way you'll get a Halloween treat basket or goodie bag. So this way you'll get a pumpkin basket or a Halloween treat bag. Now moving on to the next basket. To make this cute ghost basket, we'll need a paper measuring 23 cm by 21 cm. We will now draw lines at intervals of 8 cm and 7 cm. Turn the paper and again draw lines at 8 cm and 5 cm. Then draw margins of about 1 cm on either sides of the line. I'm stacking out the parts that we need to cut out. We'll now cut it out and get a box template like this. Crease the lines we had drawn earlier to make the folds of the box. Once it is done, apply glue on the margins that we had left earlier. And then just hold all the flaps together to get the inner box. Now that the inner box is done, we'll move to the more interesting part, that is to draw the face of the ghost. For this, I've already cut out the template in the shape of the ghost. Just make sure that the size of the ghost is according to the inner box. That means the box should be completely concealed by the ghost when we stick it together. So what I'll do next is trace this cutout on a piece of white paper and make two such cutouts to stick on both sides of the box. Once that is done, I'll move on to draw the tiny details of the face, like the eyes, the mouth, the tongue. Remember to make two sets of everything because you need to stick it on both sides. Now that we've got all the tiny elements, we'll just stick it on the face of the ghost. Aren't these looking really cute? So both our adorable ghosts are done. Now to put it all together, we'll apply glue on the inner box that we made earlier. And then paste the ghost on one side. Make sure to align the edges properly. Similarly, paste the other ghost on the other side of the box. So we are done with this cute little ghost box. Like I said earlier, you can use it as a box, a pencil holder, a treat box. But if you would like to use it as a basket, you can definitely attach a small handle on top like this. And then you'll get a cute little treat bag for Halloween. So guys, we are done with the DIYs for today. Do let me know which one did you like more, this pumpkin basket or this ghost basket. As for me, I really like this one. But if you're team pumpkin, please comment pumpkin emoji in my comment section. And if you're team ghost, fill my comment section with this cute ghost. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know what you would like to see next week. So see you on Friday. Bye bye.